Hey everybody, William Miller, National Brand Manager, and I'm here once again with our Senior General Manager of Cruiser RV, Mr. John Jones. For those of you watching, a few weeks ago, John and I introduced the Radiance brand. We talked about the 11 floor plans, 5 of which are all brand new. We're here with some updates. We're currently sitting in the Radiance 28BH. John, a lot of things have happened since our first introduction of the brand alone. Customers have been asking about the Radiance. Dealers are wanting more and more information about this. Your team has worked very, very hard, and clearly you guys have hit a lot of marks. Now, again, John, excitement is one thing, but also we've received some accolades. So can you just talk about what's been happening the last few weeks with Radiance?
It's exciting. It's exciting for Cruiser RV. We actually were able to receive 3 awards on the Radiance product this year. First being RV Pro 2021 Top Debut. Number 2 was RV Business Must See RV for 2021, which is exciting. And then the big one would be Mid-Price Travel Trailer of the Year from RV News. So we're very humbled, very excited, and it's good things happening in 2021 for Cruiser RV and the Radiance product line.
So with the excitement and the recognition, let's talk about the features from the outside in.
Yeah, a complete redesign on the exterior of our unit this year, so really excited that the feedback we're getting from our retail customers for the units that have got there is huge, as well as from our dealer body. A big one that we touched on our last video was Asdale Construction, 50% lighter, just an overall better build, U.S. constructed, and more peace of mind to our customers and value to our dealers selling to the customers. And the other one was the complete redesigned front cap, as well as windshield that's going to be offered on select floor plans, which we highlighted in our last video in the 21RV. Also, 2 new patents this year for the Radiance product that's available on all the lines. It's called our full belly storage and increased baggage doors of 34 by 19. So truly excited about the year of Cruiser RV and our Radiance product and the whole lineup for Cruiser as a whole.
Bringing those features into the unit like we're currently in, the 28BH, let's talk about the features that are happening on the inside of the coach.
Absolutely. A new, fresh, modern look, unseen like anything in the industry. So really excited about that. We started basically from September the drawing board with our director of design as well as our production team to be able to knock this out of the park. And obviously with the accolades that we received from our industry, it did well, and we succeeded with that. So, but going into this unit, new this year is woven flooring, same as you're going to see on the marine industry. So very durable, very strong, easily to clean with soap and water. And then also you're going to see solid surface countertops, 611 barrel roofs, large fridge sizes, as well as some features that we have in our bedroom that we're excited about on the second patent that we'll show you in a little bit here.
It's one thing to just do really good on design. It's another thing to do really good on functionality.
Absolutely.
But there's another piece that's really important for the consumers, our customers, and those we serve, which has to do with price.
Absolutely.
What amazes me is the fact that you and the team were able to culminate this vision, make it become a reality, and have it set at a price point that's extremely competitive and attractive to most budgets for those families that are looking to, go out and enjoy the RV experience in a Radiance product. So the fact that you were able to do all 3 of those things, big kudos to you and the team.
And we appreciate that. And our biggest goal as an RV manufacturer is to hone our abilities into finding where our top buyers are, what they're looking for, with you said, price point, function, and then overall floor plan.
So as I look at all the feedback that's been coming in, a lot of it has to do, there's a big buzz with one of the biggest patented features in the industry that you were able to incorporate in this Radiance series. So can you talk about what that is?
Yeah, it's going to be a patent that's in every one of our floor plans, ranging from 25 feet all the way up to 36 feet. And it was basically a feature that we came up with our team here at Cruiser RV. The one thing that we always heard was everyone wanted the king size bed, but they didn't want to sacrifice the walk around space. So we were able to create that creative idea where our bed's actually able to move 12 inches left or right to create walk around space in every single floor plan. So the ease of getting changed next to the bed, the ease of being able to make the bed, and just overall function with it. So we're really excited. And we couldn't be more honored to get the feedback that we've gotten from current customers as well as prospect customers in the market right now. So really happy about that.
So just so everybody that's watching is clear, we're not pushing this stuff out. Everything we're talking about, the features, how you hit it in every mark measured, the feedback, the accolades. This is what everybody's communicating back to us. Since that time when we first made the introduction, we are now in production,
Yep.
coast to coast. If there's customers, dealers, just so we can address everybody now, what is the best process for them to get started to get more information on the Radiance lineup?
Well, big thing is going to our website, www.cruiserrv.com. Communicate on social platform. I'm directly on our social platform answering questions. And honestly, whether it's from a retail customer, call and ask us the difference. Why Cruiser RV? And then why would I want to make that investment with Cruiser RV? From a dealer, obviously reach out to us. Anything that we could do to see availability in markets. But we're really excited. We're humbled for what 2020 has brought for us and the outcome of that. We're excited for the beginning of 2021 to show everyone what the Radiance product is going to do and what Cruiser RV is going to become. So we're very very blessed.